Okay, so we need 791 on the OD. I just went and double checked that over there. And we're at 807 and a half with the mic, and well, with the caliper, and it's about 7 3/4 with the mic, so pretty close. So let's see what we get here. Turn this thing around a little bit. Put this in until we start. Sharpen the bit up a little bit. So we're at 707, 91, see a little bit take off. Go like that till we get to a cut here. That's a little smoother. All this for a mock-up. I'm not going to use this thing. Just picked up a little bit, I guess. Two and a half right now. Still a ways to go. 6. We got 10 to go, so close enough. Quarter. Here, look, we got 5 to go. 2, 3. We want to overcut this one also. See what the dimension is. I want this to be a light press fit. 1,000 would be nice. I'll just squeeze the shaft down a little bit. Probably a thou and a half wouldn't be too bad, but no more now. Cutter alone. 3. Just under 3. So what was the actual size here? Different tools don't measure the same either, so we're relying on this to be pretty accurate. 770. Oh, we're at 770. I was at 790. 777. 790. What happened here? I'm measuring sideways, see? Nice. 790.5. I need to take another thou off. So if we cut with nothing, it might not do anything. We'll give it a half a thou. Not even cutting. Takes chip pressure, load pressure, 2-bit pressure to cut. We have no pressure. Bump that handle when you know it. I don't think so. No cutting going on at all right there. Nada. Did not do anything. Cuts me drag back though. Got a drag line when you come back. Yeah. As soon as we do cut, it's going to cut a lot. Still 93. It's going to cut too much. Just watch. A little more and give another half. That'd be too much, I bet. That'll be 2,000 cut. Let's drop the camera. It's cutting too much now. Yeah, it's 92. 92 around the money. Yeah, if it doesn't cut any more, that'll be alright. Back it up just a little and see if it's still there. Yeah, I stopped cutting when I did that. Yeah, trying to cut. Cut, not cut, cut, not cut. See a little fog of the chip coming out, that's a half a thou. Alright, let's see what we got here. Cut squat. Way big over here. 4. A little bit back in. Try it again. Cut. Nope. Bit does not want to cut. I'm sharpen it too, but that's a result. No cut. Alright, I need both hands over here to figure out what I'm going to do here. It's not cutting, cutting, not cutting. Needs to cut. Pressure on it. cut in half like that. Not too much all the way. Just kind of cutting though. Very light though, so. There, 3 there, 3 down there, 2 down here, 2.5, 3. That thing just does not want to cut either. So damn thin. $91 even. 92. 92.5. 93.5. 93. Down there at the very end, we're a little bit thick. 92. 92.5. 92.5. 92. 91. Okay. So it starts out low and it gets closer as we go. Where's my here? Okay, hacksaw. Thin. Okay. Clean this up a little bit here. I don't like rough edges on anything. There you go. Turn it into chips. Burr free. Very light pressure on that. custom tube. Tighter on you in that direction. Okay, now we gotta beat that thing in and see what it does. So now the ideal tool for beating that in is this tool right here. Just shove it right in. I don't know if that'll work or not. We'll be hitting on the top of that with a hammer, but it's not like we're using this thing for anything. Technically we could use it if we made a bushing like this that permanently stayed on here. Sleeve it back to standard size, we could use this again. But I don't like these pieces of crap ignitions. Alright, that's it for now on that.